Hi, this is Fernando from Spotahome.com, and now I'm going to show you a flat located in Divina Enfermera Street, located in the Alameda neighborhood. So about this flat, I have to say that it's very close to pubs, restaurants, so if you want to enjoy Sevilla, it's perfect, and it's a very nice neighborhood. So, this is the entrance, okay? One second, please. Okay, so this flat has one room, okay, and a very nice terrace. I will show you later. But firstly, this is the living room. As you can see here, we have a couch, a mini couch, or I don't know how to call it, okay. This is the view to the interior patio. As you can see, it's plenty of light. Here we have a shelf with a mini TV, a table with 4 chairs, this is the view to the street from this window. This flat is in a kind of pedestrian area, so it's not too noisy. This is the air condition and heating system. It's central, okay? And here we have the kitchen. As you can see, here we have a microwave, an electric stove, a washing machine, a single sink, a freezer, the fridge. Here we have another window. Okay, so this is the view to the interior patio again. Okay. Here we have some furniture where you can store your stuff, some glasses, cups, dishes, tools to cook. Okay, so let's go to the room. This is the room. Here we have a very big wardrobe where you can store a lot of stuff. And here is the wardrobe. Here we have another window with the same view to the interior patio. And this is the room, okay, with a double bed. Here we have a chest of drawers with a lamp, another wardrobe. I can imagine this flat for a girl, you know. With the half of this wardrobe, I have enough to store all my clothes. Here we have the bathroom with a single sink, a toilet, a bidet, and a bathtub with a shower. Okay, so here we have another window. Again, the view to the interior patio. So the light is not a problem in this flat, as you can see. And here we have an amazing terrace. With a small table with 2 chairs, and a table with 4 chairs. Okay, and this is the view to the street. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Hasta luego.